no nakaraang hearing, sinabi ni Secretary Gibo Chodoro, we were deputized to support the PNP. It's part of our constitutional duty. Ang tanong natin, sino nag-utos? Sino nag-deputize? Bakit nagkaganon? Yun ang pinagtatakahan natin. So, andyan yata yung transcript, hindi po ba? At maliwanag naman yun. Yes. So sinabi niya na deputize, na pag-utusan lang daw sila tulad ng sinasabi niyo, Senator Bato, na nautusan. We were deputized. Ang tanong ng taong bayan, sino nag-utos? Sino nag-deputize? Yun ang tanong.
Nobody can make, Madam Chair, nobody can make an utos or an order to a Secretary of National Defense. Kundi, somebody above him. And who is above the Secretary of National Defense? It is the President of the Republic of the Philippines. Di ba? Alangan naman, yung Secretary of National Defense is taking orders from a general ng armed forces. It should be somebody from above. So, maliwanag pa sa sikat ng araw na presidente ang nagbigay ng order na yon. Dahil sabi mo niya, he's just following orders.